Hello student, today we have to learn about the class Amphibia. As you know, class Amphibia comes under the division Gnathostomata and comes under the superclass Tetrapoda having the two pairs of the limbs. Tetrapoda consists of four classes. First is class Amphibia, second is class Reptilia, third is class Avos, and fourth is class Mammalia. Today we have to learn about the characteristic features of the class Amphibia. Let's start first of all class Amphibia. First of all, meaning of the Amphibia. In this word, amphi means dwell or the both, and bios means life. Means we can see here the amphibians can live two types of the life in two different habitat. Let's discuss first characteristics about the habitat. Animals which live and respire on land as well as in a fresh water known as the amphibia. म्हणजे हे ॲनिमल्स ॲम्फिबियन्स हे पाण्यामध्ये सुद्धा त्यांचं जीवन जगतात, सोबतच या ठिकाणी हे जमिनीवर सुद्धा त्यांचं जीवन जगू शकतात. असे ॲनिमल क्लास ॲम्फिबियामध्ये इन्क्लूड होतात. सेकंड कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हिअर, ॲम्फिबियन्स आर कोल्ड ब्लडेड ॲनिमल, poikilothermic animals. Means body temperature changes according to the atmospheric temperature. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी बॉडी टेम्परेचर हे ॲनिमलच्या माध्यमातून मेंटेन केल्या जाऊ शकत नाही. होमिओटॅसिस मेकॅनिझम त्यांच्यामध्ये आढळत नाही, म्हणून बॉडी टेम्परेचर जे आहे हे वातावरणाच्या टेम्परेचरला अनुसरून बदलत राहते. नेक्स्ट इज द बॉडी डिव्हिजन. In amphibian, body division consists of head and trunk. Neck is the absent here. Tail is usually absent in many adult, but in a salamander, tail is present. Means that there is an exceptional case is salamander, but the tail is present in a larval stage. Second is about the skin. Exoskeleton is absent in an amphibian. Skin is moist, glandular with the mucus gland. Then the eyelids present, and tympanum is a special kind of the organ present which represent the ear. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी आयलिड्स प्रेझेंट आहे, डोळ्याच्या पापण्या प्रेझेंट आहे. इयर्स जे आहे, इयर्सला रिप्रेझेंट करणारा एक स्पेशलाइज ऑर्गन ॲम्फिबियनमध्ये प्रेझेंट आहे, टिम्पॅनम. देन नेक्स्ट कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स इज अबाउट द लोकोमोशन. Two pairs of the locomotory limbs present. Four limbs arises from the pectoral girder and hind limbs arises from the pelvic girder. Four limbs consist of four digits. On the contrary, hind limbs consist of the 5 digits. But the hind limbs digits have the web. So web hind limbs is present here. Then next characteristic features about the cloaca. In the amphibia, the cloaca is present, which is the common outlet in which there is a urinary opening is occur, then the excretory opening is occur, as well as genital opening also occur. So it is a common outlet for the three system: excretory system, reproductive system, and digestive system. There is a three system. It is a commonly open out in a common outlet that is known as the cloaca. या ठिकाणी क्लोएका हे आउटलेट आहे ज्यामध्ये तीन सिस्टीम्सचं ओपनिंग कॉमनली इथं आढळते. नेक्स्ट कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स अबाउट द सर्क्युलेशन. इन द एम्फिबियन, सर्क्युलेशन इज द क्लोज टाइप ऑफ द सर्क्युलेशन. क्लोज टाइप ऑफ सर्क्युलेशन आहे. हार्ट कन्सिस्ट ऑफ द 3 चेंबर्ड, 1 auricles and 2 ventricles. Here double circulation also be observed. means the blood during the circulation, blood enter in a 2 times through the heart. Then RBCs are biconvex. RBCचं जे स्ट्रक्चर आहे बायकॉन्व्हेक्स आहे. सोबत एम्फिबियन मध्ये RBCs हे न्यूक्लिएटेड आहे. RBCs आर न्यूक्लिएटेड. Then about the nervous system. Nervous system is a well developed nervous system present in the amphibians. Next characteristics about the respiration. Here 3 type of the respiration is occur. Respiration takes place by means of the skin, that is known as the cutaneous respiration. Respiration takes place by means of the lungs, known as the pulmonary respiration, and buccopharyngeal respiration also occur in this type of the animals. Then sexes are separate and amphibians are oviparous. या ठिकाणी सेक्सेस हे सेपरेटेड आहे आणि सोबतच एम्फिबियन हे ओव्हिपेरस आहे. ओव्हिपेरस मीन्स देर इज अ लेइंग द एग्स, means that there is a whenever they lays the eggs in a water current, not on the land, because they are amphibian but they can survive on the both habitat, but during the laying of the eggs they are laying the eggs in the water. Then fertilization is external. As we know, there is a fusion of the gametes takes place in the water externally. Then in this type of the animals, the development is indirect through the aquatic larval stage. As we know, there is a development is indirect through the larval stage. Here tadpole larva of the frog we observe in case of the frog. In this type of the animals, metamorphosis is also observed. Now what is the meaning of the metamorphosis? Metamorphosis means that there is a transformation is occur in the animal after the birth. Means there is a transformation, there is some kind of the changes is occur in a body structure. In case of the frog, the in a larval tadpole larva have a tail, but after development, after the growth, after the development, gradually this tail is degenerated. Such a transformation is known as the metamorphosis. Then the example. There is a common Indian example is here frog, that is a Rana tigrina. Frog example, there is a buffo known as the toad. Then another example is the salamander which have tail. Another example is here ichthyophis, which is specially known as the limbless amphibian. हे बहुतेक वेळा एंट्रन्स मध्ये विचारले जाते. लिम्बलेस एम्फिबियन कुठल्या ॲनिमलला म्हटले जाते? लिम्सलेस, म्हणजे यांना लिम्स नाही आहे. 4 लिम्स हाइंड लिम्स हा प्रकार याच्यामध्ये येत नाही. असे जे एम्फिबियन आहे त्यांना म्हणतो आपण इक्थायोफिस, आणि हे लक्षात ठेवा. देन नेक्स्ट ट्री फ्रॉग which is also known as the hyla. So this is the all about general characteristic features of the class amphibian.